Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust Console. Rust is a challenging survival game where your primary goal is to endure against players and the environment. You'll start with nothing but a rock and a torch. Immediately focus on gathering wood and stone to craft essential tools. Building a small starter base and placing a sleeping bag are crucial first steps for survival and establishing a foothold in the harsh world. Resource gathering is fundamental to progression in Rust. You'll need thousands of units of wood and stone for building and crafting. Hemp plants provide cloth, vital for early game items like sleeping bags and basic clothing. As you advance, mining metal and sulfur ore becomes critical for creating powerful weapons and armor. Remember to utilize workbenches to unlock and craft higher-tier items. Building a secure base is paramount to protecting your loot and progress. Begin with a simple 1x2 or 2x2 structure, upgrading materials from wood to stone, and eventually to metal for maximum durability. Always place locks on your doors and consider adding airlocks for extra security. As you gather more resources, deploy automated defenses like shotgun traps or auto turrets to deter raiders. Player interaction is a core element of Rust. You will encounter other survivors who may be friendly, or they might try to eliminate you for your loot. Mastering combat, from using a simple bow to advanced assault rifles, is essential for survival. Practice your aim and movement to gain an advantage in engagements. Forming alliances with one or two trusted players can significantly increase your chances of long-term survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.